I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Nirazan, and today we are going to help Sinclair's Hotel to build the app, and how am I as a analyst will help them with that. So let's talk about my company. It's a Hotel Sinclair from Fort Worth, Texas. It's a Marriott Autograph Collection hotel. It's a world class all digital hotel. So to making as the all digital hotel, there should be an app for the hotel. That's obvious, but still didn't have. So I suggest them to them. So we are suggesting today to make them there. What's the aim? To address the insufficient, inefficiencies in the rooms reservation, because there are a lot of problem in the hotel reservation. We will be talking about that, and we'll be talking about the objective. Objective. Why we are about to make this? So it's because to improve the booking efficiencies, reduce a lot of errors, and they provide a personalized guest experience. Because use AI to learn about guests and suggest them what to preference, those kind of things. And so what we come to a problem is that there's a problem with the room reservation, because there are a lot of names, same as Sinclair's, because Sinclair's a common name in the hotel. So if you search Sinclair's, you will find a lot of hotels in Australia where I live, and in India there's a group, and in US there is one. So after making the all this app, they will know that which Sinclair hotel, it will be exactly the one you want. So the problem now is that the manual process, because there's a currently it involves staff writing your name manually. That is time consuming. There will be a mistake and lack of personalization, because whenever you go to a room hotel to book the room, then you have to give all the details again and again and again in website as well, in third party as well. So it's a problem. And guest frustration, because when you put a lot of things same time again and again, it will be a problem. But with the app, it's not the thing, because when you make a profile in the app, and once you apply the thing, then there is nothing, the everything is always there. You don't have to put a lot of things, everything, all the details are there, and it will be easy for them. And propose, so to resolve all this problem, I propose to make AI driven mobile app. So mobile app, everybody has mobile these days, so you can book hotel from all over the world. So having an app is really useful. What is the app capable of? The app is capable of making a booking a hotel in the real time. So you can go on phone and check. For checking the phone, you like which room you want. You just click it. The room is yours, and AI personalized. So the once you apply the preference you want, then the hotel will be then the app will suggest you what kind of hotel you want. The room you want. And IoT integration. So with your phone app, you can integrate. You can use your phone to check in. Just show your phone. You can go to be a cardless phone. The key. There's the scan your key in the door in the phone in the door, and you can go inside the room. And if you want to change the lights style or the water temperature, you can use your phone. You can do anything. So secure authentication, because when we book the room from the third party, that's a problem, because in third party there is what the problem is that your information can go to the wrong hands. So yeah, for the security, I think app will be useful, because only the hotel will use your hotel have your all the information details. Push notification, that if in an app, if you have app, and if there is any emergency in hotel or everything, then the notification will apply there. Like if there's a first suppose there's a fire in hotel, then there's no time to call everyone, right? There will be, if there's a notification in phone, then run. Benefit, there will be a lot of benefit: guest satisfaction, operating efficiencies, competitive advantage, revenue growth, all those things. All the revenue will be growing, and there will be other, I think other hotel have dedicated app for the hotel. So yeah, it will be an advantage for them as well. And guest satisfaction, obviously, because you don't have to fill all those things again and again, then easy to find. So I think it will be good. And the to make the app, then I approach the hybrid management, project management approach. So I like to use both these, because when you plan, you use the traditional way, because you are clear what to do. And for the development of the app, I think you need to do agile way, because it will take time. The process should be done, and really you need to check, go to feedback. So yeah, I will be using hybrid and the agile uh, together at the same time. So these are the WBS and the Scrum plan. So these are the for the traditional way, and these are the for the new way. For the traditional way, so for the whole app development, I need 3 months. That is 90 days. So I have divided 25 days to make a plan, I'll make a vision, what to do, and the for development of the app, I separated 65 days. So in 65 days, you need to all those all those profile of what it look like, how can we integrate key features, all those, and all those social media that can be linked it there. We have to test it, we have to check the quality of it, and we need to use as a beta version, and so that we can get what's wrong, what's not wrong, and we can get feedback so we can improve it. So it takes 65 days develop, because developing app is easy, but to make it sustain and to make it good is always a challenging thing. And so these are the three for the waterfall planning educator, because we use waterfall style approach to planning for the planning education, and the agile to develop the project and maintenance. These are the same waterfall thing. So the planning, we know what to do. We need to make app. What kind of app? What should be involved? Design. How to make it easy. All those kind of things. Already, we will make a plan, because we will do all the stakeholders. All those things we can make plan. And for the development of the app, we use agile development, because it needs a lot of testing, a lot of feedback, because one day you go there, you'll have to add something, because the technology is evolving. So when we're on the way of the making the app, if some new social media come, you want to link it, those kind of things. And the maintenance is always you need it, because the app should be maintained regularly, because there can be a lot of uh, bugs in the app, so you can have to maintain and update regularly. Then here I'm showing the hybrid approach. How can we do the way, because the planning and the planning are the waterfall phase, and the design, build, test, portability, all those review process. These are the agile approach. So in agile approach, a good thing is that in every day we can go, and there's no any time limitation. So if you go and if you want to change something, so so there we have a daily meeting that will tell you what to do, what's going on. If you want to add something new, so you can add it. So yeah, so daily meeting, it helps, and development and maintenance are the waterfall approach. And these are the agile scrum time, because you give a 90 days, then 90 days. So for the first 25 days, we use planning everything. And for the next 90 days, from the day of 26 to 90 days, all the 65 days, we make the front end core UI, then we release it, we check it. If it's good, it's good. If no, we maintain it. Then again, we come back and for the back setup, then we release it if it's good. And if API interface integration, everything integrated, you release, we check if good, go give the feedback. Then test and QA quality, then we release if good. Then we make everything good and release on the app on the 90 days. So, as an analyst, I suggest you to make a new app for the all the process. So it should be AI driven. These are all efficiencies in the Sinclair hotel booking process. There's no any problem with that. Automatic reservation. You can attach to the phone. Say, "Hi Siri, book me hotel," and it directly book the hotels. Complete advantage. It will be advantage for them with their what do you call that? With those people in the other hotels, it will be easy for them. So yeah, I think making an app is very useful, and they should it will help them. Thank you.